Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. This is MJ Fanbase again. Today we are going to see how we produce cashew juice. The intention of this video is to encourage people to produce additive-free and chemical-free juice, which you can consume straight from the tree. Does not require any difficult processing. At this very stage, we were plucking all the cashews and the one we are going to use for the juice, and we're taking them off the cashew tree. Just very simple basic steps here. Does not require any specific tool or special tool to do this. Anybody at all can do this. So watch along as the video rolls. Watch as we turn this cashew into juice in this form. So stay tuned how it's all going to start and all the process that we are going to go through before arriving at that juicy cashew juice we saw in that container. So follow along, let's go. Here, this is the cashew. So we just pluck it from the tree, and we are about to wash it and keep it all away from any dirt that is on the cashew fruit. So the process you are seeing here, you are washing it. This is a raw cashew. This is a very red type of cashew. Cashew normally grows during it bears fruit during the dry season. So normally from ending of November, by December the flowers will come, and December ending they start forming fruit little by little. By January the fruits will be ready, and some becomes big, and yeah, that is how the cashew the fresh cashew comes by. So that's how you get a fresh cashew. Now after we finish washing them, we'll gently take off the seed from the nut from the cashew. So when we take the nut from it, then we will proceed to another stage where we will blend it or either mash it, and if you have a cheese cloth, you use it after mashing it, and you just sieve it. You just watch me as we go step by step and do this very process. This cashew is preservative free, no chemical, just raw like that. It's good for your health, and naturally it's like just you have a fresh feeling taste. Yes, so you can try it at home wherever you are. If there's abundance of cashew, you can try it, and watch as we continue to update this channel with more videos. We will be explaining or demonstrating the uses of cashew in our subsequent videos, how we will remove the shells. So just watch and see how this very plant is very economical and used for very varieties of recipes. So, and for example, it's used for non-dairy milk. You can use the nut to produce milk, and also natural. We'll be showing all this.
So how you see the thing? How you see the thing?
To see. So thank you. Subscribe to our
These
channel.
are extension officer. Yeah, they confirm the thing. Yeah, so just right here from the trees, we made the fruit juice, and People are just enjoying it, and we will all see how it's turn up. So follow us on this channel, and we'll bring you more updates from different areas of life, and you will enjoy our content. Thank you.
juice, fresh juice. MJ fan. MJ base.
So here, this is the cashew nut we are pouring onto the ones we've already removed, which we'll be using to do the cashew milk. So watch out for this channel. We'll be producing more content for you to learn certain things out from. So if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see you in our next video. Keep watching. This is the final part, the chaff. We throw it out for all the fowls around to also have a feed on the cashew fiber before finally. So almost every part of the cashew is consumed, and so this is a complete proof that from the nut to the